Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Arbutin face cream. So I'm going to start off by measuring out my ingredients. So it's very important that you measure out your ingredients, especially the cream that you're going to use, so you know exactly how much you need. So I've measured out my base cream, and I made this base cream from scratch. There's a video down in the description bar on how I make this base cream. So now that I've measured out my cream, I'm gonna go ahead and add my other ingredients. So I'm gonna measure out So I'm gonna start measuring out my ingredients, and this is my Arbutin powder. And because it's for the face, I want to make sure that I don't put in too much of the Arbutin, not to irritate the skin. Keeping in mind that the skin is very sensitive. So I'm just gonna mix this and make sure my Arbutin is well incorporated with my cream. So now that my Arbutin is well mixed in my cream, I'm gonna go ahead and measure my other ingredient. Again, I'm just gonna mix my ingredient in. So always take your time to mix your cream, because if the ingredients are not mixed well, it's not good. So now that my cream is mixed well, I'm gonna go ahead to add some color to my cream. And I'm gonna mix in. Now you don't want to put too much color, because then you just wanna just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my color until my color is fully, because right now there's clumps, so I want to get rid of those. So in order for me to make sure that my cream doesn't have clumps of color, I have this tiny blender that I'm gonna use to make sure that my color doesn't have crumbs. I kind of take my time with this because I want to get that really pretty color. I mixed my color very well, and this is what it came out. It looks so pretty. So now I'm ready to put my Alpha Arbutin face cream into my tin jar here. And this cream is very, very good for the skin. Alpha Arbutin does lighten the skin, and it gives it that really nice yellow tone. So I'm just scraping here to make sure I got everything out of my jar here, glass. And there we have it, Alpha Arbutin face cream. This cream is really, really nice. It's moisturizing. It will give a yellow tone under 2 weeks, and it's very nourishing to the skin, and all the butters and oils I used to make